In this lecture, we are going to learn about even and odd signals. So, any signal represented in continuous time domain is an even signal if, so let's say if the signal is even signal or an odd signal. So, if a signal is xt in continuous time domain or x of n in discrete time domain, and if the signal is even, it must satisfy this condition that x of minus t is equals to x of t, and in discrete time domain x of minus n equals to x of n. That means if you are replacing the time signal or you are rotating the time signal by 180 degree, then the signal must remain same. The best example for this is your x of t is equals to cos omega t. Cosine is a even signal, so x of minus t is equals to cos of, and all of us knows that cos of minus theta is equals to cos theta. So it's an even signal. Now odd signal. So if signal x of minus t is equals to minus of xt, or in discrete time domain x of minus equals to minus of xn, then it's a odd signal. And the best example again for this is with respect to the trigonometric functions. It's applicable in discrete time domain also. X of t is equals to sine of omega t. So x of minus t will be equals to sine of minus omega t, and we know sine of minus theta is equals to minus sine theta. So we can say that this is an odd signal. Now if xt or xn is given to us and we need to find its even and odd part, so every signal we can say that is composed of an even and odd part. So we can say whether it's in discrete time domain that xt is equals to x of even plus x of odd, or in discrete time domain same thing is applicable. Okay, then we can say that this, if this is true, and if we add or subtract the signals in a way, then we can get the values of even part and odd part. We know that even signal, if the signal is even, then x of t is equals to x of minus t. So we can say that if we have to find the even part, we can say that x of even part of a signal will be equals to x of t plus x of minus t divided by 2, and x of odd part will be equals to x of t minus divided by 2. Same rule applies to the discrete time domain with the difference of t and n, and x of odd equals to x of n divided by 2. Thank you. The next video we are going to solve questions based on even and odd signals.